guys, Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another hair review. Today's video is going to be on the Freetress Equal, the luxury integration oval part. It's a U-part wig, and you guys can see right here the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and open it and see more info on what the card says. So here's a little card. And here's the front, and it does have combs in the front, the back, and the sides. And it's a non-slip 360 support, so it's almost exactly like the 360 wig. This is a long layered cut. It is 22 inches. Like I said, I love the long hair. Well, it's not as long as my last hair, but you guys, 22 inches. Love it. And it does have a layered cut. This up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You guys can see right there. It's a color in a 1. The color is a 1. The color I always like to get my wigs. Favorite, love the jet black. And then the back it has the seamless finish for a perfect blend. So if you guys do want to wear your hair out with this wig, you can. My mom actually put a closure at the front where you guys can see like their scalp and stuff. So she did put a closure at the top because I do not like wearing my hair out. Like, I don't like blending it with wigs. So she did, sew the closure onto the U part to make it look like this. So I think it looks like amazing. My mom did a great job. Shout out to her. And the color that is shown on the actual brochure is 0 or OT30. But the one that I'm wearing is a 1. So if you guys are interested in the jet black or the like blondish color right here, they have so many different hair colors. And then inside it just tells you how to apply it if you guys are interested in blending your hair with the wig. Oh, I love how they have stuff like this. So they tell you how to sew it, how to braid it, how to do all that kind of stuff. Hair care instructions on this side of the card. Again, you can wash with regular shampoo and conditioner, let it air dry, and then put on a wig cap, not a wig cap, put on a mannequin head to dry or anything like that. So there's that. Also has the info on the box right here. And you guys, I love Freetress wigs because they just have such good quality. And also I want to show you guys some info about the closure that I have on my head. So the closure is different hair that was sewn onto the U part, and the closure is the I think that's L&L hair, I&I-hair.com right here. That's the packaging the closure came in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the card out and give you some more info about this. And this just says that tells you how to wash the hair. So this is how the closure actually looks. It's just a hair on a track alone. My mom actually sewed clips onto the closure and clipped it on and then just sewed it down like that. So yeah, they're just tips on how to take care of the closure. The closure is human hair, so this is a human hair synthetic mix. Love that. So let me go ahead and show you more about the hair. 22 inches. The hair to the back. You guys know I like showing you how it looks. On the side. I just love it. If you guys did enjoy this short hair review, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. All the info